Hello friends, today we will see contour drive toolpath in CATIA V5. So here we have the part. So if you will see, I have one part and 1 2 3 3 clamp and one stock, right? And this is the table. So we have all these part and all are the separate body. So I'm going to one safety plane is also there. So I'm going to create this toolpath for this. So come here and go to advanced machining, and here see it is okay. So double click on part operation, and this time my machine is again this 3 axis, and the part the part is this, and blank or stock is this one, safety plane is this one, and fixture. So we have table, clamp 1, clamp 2, and clamp 3. All are the fixture. Okay. Now, first I need a roughing operation. So I'm selecting this roughing. Click here. So rough stock is this one, and the part is this. Now safety plane is this one. Top face again this. Bottom is this one, and now come to tool. Here I don't want this ball nose. I just want 0.8 tip radius tool, and double click here, and I need a little bit smaller, so I'm using 8, and generate. Let's see the tool and the part and how it is working, right? Now again come to this, and here I'm going to make some changes. Click here, and here for machining I'm using helical. So helical pattern it is create, and it is creating by area, means for first area, then second area, for third area. Like this it will work, and the tolerance is 0.01. Helical movement on both side, clockwise anti-clockwise, and here for axial depth of cut I am using 0.5, and for radial I am using length, overall step over length. So I'm using overall step length is 1.5, and here now generate. And this time I will show you how it is working. Okay. Area means this portion first, then second portion completely, and then third portion. So it is working for the roughing, and the material is left over the part is 1 mm. So I'm going to change this value from 1 to 0.4, and generate again. Right, so roughing is done. Now I'm going to use the operation, this contour drive. For contour drive, just hide this blank, and here I want to generate the tool path between the contour curve. So select it, click over here, and the safety plane is this one. Tool will rotate up to the safety plane, and the top face this one. Top is this, right? Bottom is this one. Part is this, and come to this. Here, see, this red icon means we need this parameter also. So I need two guide, four open curves, and guide 1 and guide 2. So select guide 1. So this is the guide 1, and for guide 2 this is the guide 2, or we can select this one. Right, now first generate, then we will make some other changes. And the tool is, no, it is not my tool. I'm going to use ball mill. So click here, click and click, make a ball nose tool, and this time it is 4. Right, and the length I'm reducing this 25. Okay, let's see. Right, now click here and come to this first tab, and here I am using between contour, means the toolpath is generating between the first and second two guide curve. The toolpath will generate. And here the offset part means I want finish operation, so I'm entering this value as 0, so it will completely finish it. It will work in zigzag manner. So this path style is toolpath style is zigzag. This is the tolerance. Again for radial the distance between path is 0.6. I am using 0.5. And for axial number of step is 1, and the depth of cut 0.2 if it is. Right, now generate. Okay, let's see this. Okay, if it is not visible, it means we need to show this is stock, then it will show you the result in 3D. Verify. Roughing operation with tip radius tool, bull nose tool. Now see, it is working like the helical. It is creating a helical cut. So what I'm going to do, okay, and come to this radial, and here from radial from 1 to 2. So it will start from first curve and it will go to second guide curve. Let's see, this gap is 0.5. If you need more precious, reduce the step over. Say this time this is it is working from the curve 1, and it will moving towards the guide 2. Now this toolpath is done. Now I want to transform this toolpath in polar manner or in axial manner. So how we can do, first okay, and okay, and click here. So we have two tool, one is roughing and second is this finishing operation. So click here, this is the transformation, and here click, and the tool path is this one. Right, this is the tool path, and number of copy I need two. And this is not transform. If you want to translate in xy direction like the like the rectangular array, so we can use this translation. But this time I want rotation, so select this rotation, and the axis is this z, or we can select this circle, and the angle between is 120, because we need three copy. So see this for second, third, and okay. So hope you understand this. Now save this. So contour drive, I have saved it. Now Come to this, and here generate NC code. I need NC by machining operation for all the operation means 1 2 3. So like this it will generate the operation for all the machining operation. So for all selected program, one file one file will create for all this operation. And where you want to keep this, so select here and save where you want, and OK, and click here. And the post processor is Fanuc, so I'm going to select Fanuc O0 or execute. It will take a time and it will create. The program number is 1000. Okay, now check it. Now see, this is a toolpath and this is the APT and this is CNC file. So hope you understand this. If you have any query, you can comment me. If you like this, please rate rate my course positively. Thank you.